Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Uno Flip Splash is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing twists on the classic card game, designed to bring endless fun to your gatherings, whether you're indoors or braving the elements outdoors, making it a perfect addition for family game nights or beach parties. Number 5. Mattel Games Uno Card Game Travel Tin. Get ready for classic Uno gameplay. Match colors or numbers as you race to be the first to empty your hand. Add a twist to your game with action cards and wild cards. Watch out for the reverse card that can change the flow of play. Unleash your creativity with 3 blank wild cards. You can make up your own rules, making every game a new adventure. Remember to shout Uno when you're down to your last card. The first player or team to reach 500 points wins the game. This deck is designed for everyone to enjoy. Special symbols on each card help players with color blindness easily identify colors. Suitable for 2 to 10 players aged 7 and up, it's the perfect classic toy for family game nights and parties. What we like? This is the classic Uno experience you know and love, with a few added twists. If you are looking for a familiar game with the option to create your own rules, this is the one. It's also a great choice if you need a colorblind accessible deck for inclusive family game nights. What people say. Regular Uno cards in a tin. I love the tin case because it allows travel and storage of the game while also providing durability. The game is simple but fun for all ages. I especially like the tin case. It keeps everything neatly organized and makes it easy to travel with. The cards inside are like regular Uno cards. The thickness is perfect. The cards are very easy to read. The colors are vivid. Number 4. Skillmatics Guess in 10 Splash Waterproof Card Game. Introducing Guess in 10 Splash, the ultimate guessing game that's now waterproof. Perfect for any water adventure, this game will keep everyone entertained. The goal is simple: guess the animal on the card by asking up to 10 yes or no questions. Think strategically to narrow down the possibilities and win. Inside the box, you'll find 50 waterproof game cards, clue cards, and a portable ring and box. Everything you need for endless fun on the go. This game is perfect for family gatherings, poolside fun, or vacation trips. It's designed for ages 6 and up, making it enjoyable for everyone. Take the fun with you wherever you go. It's ideal for playing at the pool, beach, or even on a boat trip, making learning fun anywhere. This game not only provides entertainment but also helps build important skills. It fosters communication, decision-making, and creative thinking in a fun way. Looking for the perfect gift? This is an excellent choice for birthdays or holidays. It's suitable for children, teens, and adults alike. What we like? This is the ultimate guessing game that can go anywhere, even in the water. If you are looking for a fun and educational game for pool parties, beach trips, or boat adventures, this is it. It's perfect for families who want to keep kids entertained and learning while on vacation. What people say. Well thought out with question prompts that include pictures to help non-readers. The cards are big, durable, easy to understand even for my younger one who doesn't read quite yet. It plays like a traditional game of 20 questions, and the visuals help the kids understand both the guessing and asking sides of the game. Kids ask up to 10 yes or no questions to guess the underwater animal on each card, building vocabulary, deductive reasoning, and listening skills through play. It's a perfect choice for children who think in words and enjoy communication-driven learning. Number 3. Mattel Games Uno Flip Card Game. Get ready for Uno Flip, the classic card game you know and love, but with an exciting twist. Simply flip the deck to change the game entirely. This version comes in a convenient storage tin, perfect for taking on the go. Enjoy endless fun during travel and vacations with this portable game. It features a double-sided deck with classic gameplay on the mild side and a more challenging experience on the wild side. You can switch between them with the special flip card. Experience game-changing fun with special action cards that include tougher penalties. Cards like Draw 5 and Skip Everyone will keep you on your toes. This deck is designed to be colorblind accessible, featuring special graphic symbols on each card. This ensures that players with any form of color blindness can easily identify colors and enjoy the game. It's fun for both kids and adults, making it a fantastic addition to your toy box. Bring everyone together for memorable family game nights and parties. What we like. This version of the iconic card game adds a thrilling twist with its double-sided deck. If you enjoy classic Uno but are looking for a more challenging and unpredictable experience, you should consider this. It's ideal for players who like to shake things up and enjoy strategic gameplay with tougher action cards. What people say. Uno Flip is a fun fast-paced game that adds a nice twist to the original Uno. The one twist on this game is that there is a flip card that essentially flips the entire deck to the dark side. The penalties with the dark side are greater than the normal light side, and because all the card colors and numbers have flipped, the person who originally had the least amount of cards may find themselves with a batch of unmatching cards that will result in them having to draw even more cards to play. Very fun, and like that it comes in a tin box that won't rip easily. This game is so fun. The flip component makes it so much more enjoyable than regular Uno. Just when you think you've lost the game, the whole thing changes when someone plays a flip. Number 2. Mattel Games Uno Triple Play. Get ready for 3 times the excitement with the Uno Triple Play card game. It takes the classic game you love and adds thrilling new twists. Experience the thrill with arcade-style lights and sounds that guide your gameplay. These dynamic effects tell you exactly which discard pile to play on. Choose your challenge with 3 exciting modes. Play in regular mode with its visual overload warning, or try the timer mode for a faster pace. Dare to enter stealth mode, where overload can strike at any moment. It adds an unpredictable layer of suspense to every round. When overload is triggered, the LED display will show you how many cards you need to draw. But don't forget, you still need to shout Uno when you're down to your last card. This game is perfect for family game night or as a gift for any card game enthusiast aged 7 and up. It's sure to be a hit. What we like. Get ready for triple the fun with this electrifying take on Uno. If you are seeking a high-energy, suspenseful game night with unique challenges, this is the one for you. It's perfect for families and friends who love a bit of arcade-style excitement and unpredictable gameplay with its dynamic lights and sounds. What people say. It was fun just like the original Uno with a twist, like the fact it has the storage for the cards when not in use. You never know which side will light up, so one minute you have one card and it changes, you're drawing more cards, lol. We enjoy playing Uno, but Uno Triple Play is amazing as it takes this game to another level. Un juego que te mantendrá alerta y agilizará tu mente. Number 1. Mattel Games Uno Splash Card Game. Introducing the Uno Splash Card Game from Mattel Games. Now you can take the fun of Uno wherever you go, thanks to its durable, waterproof design. These cards are made from waterproof plastic, making them perfect for the beach, pool, or any outdoor adventure. They're built to last through all your games. It comes with a handy clip that keeps all the cards together. You can easily attach it to your bag, making it ideal for travel, camping, and nights away. Enjoy the classic Uno gameplay you love. Match cards by color or number, or use action cards to outsmart your opponents. Score points by being the first to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Remember to yell Uno when you have only one card left. With Uno Splash, the fun never has to stop. It's the perfect companion for game nights away from home. What we like. Take the classic Uno fun wherever life takes you with this durable, waterproof edition. If you love playing Uno outdoors, at the beach, camping, or just want a game that can withstand spills, this is your best bet. Its portable design with a handy clip makes it perfect for active families and game nights away from home. What people say. These are perfect for when we went to the water park. We did not get soggy cards and the kids had fun. Size was perfect, quality was great, and it is always fun to play. We bought Uno Splash to use in the jacuzzi, and overall we really liked it. It's fun, waterproof, and perfect for playing in the water without worrying about ruining the cards. The clip is super convenient for hanging it or keeping them together. The Uno Splash card game is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. The water-resistant plastic cards are a game changer, making this version of Uno perfect for camping trips, beach days, or poolside fun. The cards are durable and hold up well to moisture, spills, and rough handling. The included carabiner clip makes it easy to keep the deck together, and it's super convenient to travel with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.